Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street, large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. This building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty, well-maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. Okay. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how we get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. Is everything go on? Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Lots of cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it. This unit in particular, so for this unit in particular, you're not taking the elevator anywhere. You can obviously take it to the common areas like we've shown you just previously in this video, but the unit's on the first floor. Okay, super easily accessible. Never have to get in an elevator. It's unit 121. It's a bi-level studio unit. Okay, so this is the first floor of the space. It overlooks 16th Street and Spruce. Okay, really high ceilings, big windows. Okay. There's the lofted space where you could put your bed. Looking at the kitchen, the bathroom through there, some storage, and a huge closet right here. Look as the kitchen. Sink, storage spaces, oven, stovetop, refrigerator, again some storage space, some nice countertop space, really nice sills all around, more storage underneath, and another sill. Inside here is the bathroom, stall shower, tiled all the way up, vanity, toilet, medicine cabinet, high ceilings, a nice window, some tile floor. Okay, now we're gonna make our way up to the loft space. It's carpeted, nice window. You'll see there's some closet space up here. It's another large closet. This looks down to one of the sills we were looking at before. Obviously, this looks down onto more living space. The closet I just showed you. Just the bedroom space. It's a great unit, very affordable. It will not last long. Get back to us right away.